How much disability do you get for sleep apnea? If you're wondering how much disability benefits you can receive for sleep apnea, you're about to get some clear answers. Let's break it down step by step. First, it's important to understand that sleep apnea can be evaluated differently depending on whether you're a veteran applying for VA benefits or if you're applying for Social Security disability benefits. VA disability benefits. For veterans, the VA uses a rating system to determine the level of disability compensation. Here's how it works. If you have sleep apnea but no symptoms, you might get a 0% rating. This doesn't provide immediate financial compensation but establishes your condition as service-connected, which can be helpful if your condition worsens or leads to other health issues. A 30% rating is given if you have obstructive sleep apnea that causes persistent daytime sleepiness. This offers moderate monthly benefits. If you need a CPAP machine or similar device to manage your sleep apnea, you could get a 50% rating, which significantly increases your compensation. The highest rating, 100%, is reserved for cases involving severe respiratory failure, cor pulmonale, or the need for a tracheostomy. This provides the maximum level of financial support. For example, a veteran with a 100% disability rating for sleep apnea can receive up to $3,106.04 per month, plus additional benefits for dependents and special needs. Social Security disability benefits. Now let's look at how sleep apnea is treated under Social Security disability. The Social Security Administration, SSA, does not recognize sleep apnea as a disability on its own. But if your sleep apnea is severe enough to cause other serious health issues, you might qualify for benefits. Here are some key points. You must have been employed in jobs covered by Social Security. Your medical condition must meet the SSA's definition of disability, meaning it prevents you from working or earning a living. Your condition must last at least 12 months or be expected to result in death. To qualify, your sleep apnea must lead to complications such as chronic pulmonary hypertension, chronic heart failure, or severe mental health issues. For instance, if your sleep apnea causes chronic pulmonary hypertension with a mean pulmonary arterial pressure above 40 mmHg, you may automatically qualify for disability benefits. Summary. In summary, the amount of disability benefits you can get for sleep apnea depends on the severity of your condition and whether you're applying through the VA or the SSA. For veterans, the VA rating system provides different levels of compensation based on the impact of your sleep apnea on your daily life. For those applying through Social Security, you must show that your sleep apnea leads to severe health complications that prevent you from working. Understanding these details can help you navigate the process and ensure you receive the benefits you're eligible for.